The upper box is all about clinical information. Yung middle box is the financial information, and the lower box is all about the non-clinical information. Okay? So yan ho yun. Yan ho yung component ng information na binibigay ninyo kay PhilHealth. Okay? So, if we break it down that way, napakasimple lang ho kung saan galing yung source ng information. Naturally, the clinical information comes from the clinicians, the doctors, and the nurses. The financial information comes from your finance office or dun ho sa billing and cashier. And the non-clinical information, this is all about the patient data. Basically, it comes from the patient. Now, it's very simple. Yung claim form ho ninyo contains 80% clinical information, 10% financial information, okay? 10% non-clinical information. So, ang point ko ho dito is ganito. Yung bulk ho, yung laman ng claim na binibigay ninyo kay PhilHealth, the bulk data that is there comes from the doctors. Okay? Sa kanila ho galing. 10% lang ho yung sa SOA, 10% lang ho yung sa patient data. Okay? So, ang tutukan natin, sino? Okay? At this point ho, if you analyze the reverse engineering diagram, sino ho dito ang tutukan ninyo? Okay? If you are going to create or make a tactic, alam nyo na yung claims blueprint, di ba? Meron kang goal, meron kang objective, meron kang strategy, then gagawa na tayo ng tactic. Alam nyo na yung claims blueprint. So, sino ho ang tutukan natin sa tactic natin? If ang reason for payment is the 3C, okay, kumpleto yung information ninyo, pag-usapan natin yung information, ano ba yung bulk ng information na napakarami? Saan ho nang gagaling? Okay? It's right there. So, sino ang tutukan ninyo? Okay? So, the question, sino ho ang tutukan ninyo as the source of the information? Can you please indicate it in the chat box? Sino ho ang tutukan ninyo? Okay. Thank you, ma'am. The doctors. Thank you po. Yes, thank you po. Thank you very much. It's the doctors because they provide 80% of the information in your claim. Kasi ho, thank you po. We have the doctors. Thank you very much. Doctors. Yung doktor. Kasi yung CF2 ninyo, marami ho dyan clinical. Hindi lahat, pero marami. Yung CF3, OB ho yan, clinical document. Yung CF4, clinical document. Pag humingi ho sila ng clinical chart, doktor ho yan. Okay. So, ganito. Sabi ni COA, ang problema ninyo, documentation. Okay? Basing doon sa ating reverse engineer, okay, bulk of it comes from the doctors. So, naturally, ang priority na turuan natin sa documentation, kasi sabi ni COA, reason of return and denial is actually tied to documentation. If that is the case, then let's go back to the doctors. Okay? Let's go back to the doctors. I'll go back to the slide. Yan ho.